Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain with Hostinger hosting. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Hostinger hosting and today we are going to connect our Namecheap domain with it. So to do this, first of all we need to log into our Hostinger hPanel. Now here you will see an hosting option. Click on manage next to your hosting plan. Now on the left menu on the top you will see your website name and a drop down button. Just click on it and then click on add a website. Now we will select create a website and then click on next. Now here we have multiple options. We can go with WordPress, Hostinger website builder or empty PHP or HTML website. I'm going to select WordPress from here and then select next from here. Now we need to add our WordPress admin email and administrator password. After that we are going to click on next from here. Now we can go with create a website with AI or pre-built websites and theme, but I'm going to select create blank site from here. Now we will add our Namecheap domain here. After that we will select the domain and then click on install WordPress from here. So our website is now setting up. So now from the left menu, if I click on websites and then websites list, here we will see the website that we have just added. After that go to namecheap.com and then from the top just click on sign in. Now from the left menu click on domain list. Click on manage next to your domain name. After that you will be redirected to the domain panel. Now click on name servers and select custom DNS from here. After that go to Google and search for Hostinger name servers. Now from here scroll down and click on this how to point a domain to Hostinger. Click on this link, scroll down and here are the Hostinger name servers. So first of all we will copy the first name server, go back to Namecheap and here we need to add our name server. Then copy the second name server and paste it here and then from the top just click on this check mark icon and in this way name servers for your domain will be changed and your domain will be properly connected with the Hostinger. So this is how you can connect your Namecheap domain with Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.